So this is my barbecued lobster, and I'm going to serve it with a fennel and orange salad and some delicious crunchy garlic potatoes. So in the oven, I've got my potatoes roasting, bit of salt, oil, and then just a garlic bulb chopped in half. I've kept the skin on because it's just easier and it just makes it taste delicious. Salad, again, really simple. I've just thinly sliced some oranges, and I've got some fennel there, some chicory, radicchio, and I'm just going to dress that really simply with some olive oil. So drizzle some olive oil over, and then just grab a lemon, squeeze that over, and then the last thing is just a pinch of salt. But the star of the show is the lobster, and here is the lobster. So I boiled it from frozen, grabbed it from the freezer, plunged it into a massive pot of hot water. I had about 4 to 5 minutes. So you can see that the shell is red and pink, so that it looks like it's cooked, but I've sliced into it and you can see it's not cooked into the middle. So what I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to put it on the barbecue to finish off, and I'm going to just douse it then in some butter with orange and garlic, and then it's ready to serve. I've flipped the lobsters over. Got a nice charredness to them. I'm just here putting on that delicious garlic orange butter. So here is my barbecued lobster, delicious barbecued lobster with some orange and garlic butter on, and then my garlic potatoes, simply done in the oven, keep the skins on, bit of oil, bit of salt, garlic bulb, and then this delicious, colourful, really fresh tasting salad of fennel, orange, we've got some chicory and radicchio, just dressed simply with olive oil and lemon. It's a really light main course, but such a celebration because you're eating lobster. Absolutely delicious.